Hear that? That's fucking rain, yo. Tell me, Steve Jobs, how long is this garbage gonna last? And I've watched enough Escape from LA to know that this ground is gonna give way any second. Gonna get down there in the 40s. Oh, it's just gonna rain forever. Hey, Wisconsin. We need to talk about this making a murderer show, because it's kind of like a Kardashian got out, started telling the truth out there about us. This Manitowoc is a rather metropolitan compared to where I grew up. Wisconsin Rapids, because it's the rapids of the Wisconsin River. It's Wisconsin. Where? I'm from Wisconsin. Do that. I'm supposed to do that. No. I mean, we gotta get this making a murderer off the air, because, Anyone else from rural Wisconsin going, ooh. I typically only shared that with, like, my, the dear friends that you, like, bring home for Christmas or Thanksgiving. And you bring them into your tiny rural Wisconsin town and go, I know, right? See, I didn't think this was weird until I moved out. Oh, the guy with the ear flaps, and okay, well, I'm just saying they ain't treating them right, that's all. I know what for real cold is like. 40 below zero. It was 70 degrees colder than it needs to be to kill you. 40 below zero. I'm an actress. This is math. It's not mine. You, internet, do the math. It's a California Ike. Look, it is cold when it's below 60. It is. But your body, right, is hot. Ideally in the 90s, 80s. Internet, you figure that out too. 60 degrees, Dawn? You think 60 degrees is cold? Yes! It is colder. It's 20 degrees colder than my body. You have to wear a jacket. Especially if there's a breeze. And you want things around your neck. Your fingers get cold. I'm ashamed of myself.